helping you stay frugal with nail art. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you my nail polish test, which is cheap nails because I only spent $8 to put it up. What do I mean? Well, I gotta just show you, so let's get on to it. Okay, everyone, this is what it looks like, and obviously, it's a floating desk. Now, I'm going to show you guys the structure of the desk and how it stands before I show you what is, like me explaining what's on top of the desk. This is a solid pine board, and you can buy them to how big you want them, and this size was about $3. So I bought this for $3, and as you can see, I painted the board white with cabin paint that my mom had. But obviously it's not not totally white because it's my nail polish test, and I always spill nail polish on it. That's blue acrylic paint. That's like black nail polish. This is some green nail polish I try to wash off. But yeah, I always get messy, so it's not exactly white anymore. And what's holding it up is these $3 chains. As you can see, it has this like hook that you can take off because this desk is made so where you can take it and put it down if you want to. I'll show you the hinges underneath. These are the hinges underneath. Oh, it's a spider! It's a dandelion spider. Or whatever they call those spiders. I have two hinges, one right here with 3 screws in it. And one over here with 3 screws in it. So the hinges are under the piece of wood, so I can just fold it straight down if there's nothing on top, just to save on space. And there's also a chain on the other side, so you can just take the chains off and pull it right down. I'm not going to do that because I have a lot of stuff on top of it. Now I'll show you guys what's on top of it and how I kind of DIY'd all the stuff for it because I didn't have like organizers, so I made my own organizers. First up is right here. This is a cottage cheese container that I washed and painted blue, and it holds all of my loose glitter, all of my super pretty glitter. And that sits right over in the corner. And here is a plastic container that I sewed a piece of fabric, and it's still kind of pinned here because I still have to sew it right here. But I sewed this piece of fabric and I put it over this plastic container, and that's what this stuff is sitting on top of. This is my foil that I have. It just sits right here. And I also have another container that I also put other nail stuff in. I'm kind of filling it up. It's kind of still empty. I'm still going to fill it up. And here's another container that I have. It came with, I think, mango or in it or something, and I ate the mango, washed it out, and then I have my rhinestones in it, my nail wheels that I have. Whoa, talk about that in a second. I got my nail wheels, and I also got my rhinestones, a nail clipper, a nail file, and my wood stick right here. So that's what's in here, and it sits on top of here is my glass nail file and my buffing block. And right here is my practice nail wheels. Oh, practice nail wheels. And this is a one of those zip top bags. You know the box that the zip top bags come in? Well, I used all the zip top bags, and then I painted this white, and I kind of cut a hole for it right here. And this is where I store my nail wheels. So that's all DIY stuff. Now I'll show you what's inside of here. Now this is a plastic container that I think salad came in or something, and I washed it out. It has the non-fun stuff, like I got some top coat boxes, some nail files, fake nails, and some nail glue, and some extra pouches for like nail rhinestones. So that's kind of like unfun stuff that I don't want to keep hanging around. So I just close that. So that's what's in that area. Now I'll start on the jars. Now for the jars. This is a jar that I painted and made. These are pizza sauce jars because my brother makes homemade pizza sauce. So I took the jars and I washed them out. Of course, I don't want pizza sauce in there. I washed the jars out and then I painted them. This is supposed to be a girl cat with like rainbow hair. This is a boy cat with like a tooth. And this is a bunny, but I haven't had a chance to put paint her bunny ears on. And this is an ice cream cone, mint ice cream cone. And this one I don't know yet. I haven't decided on what design to put on this one yet. You can put down in the comment section down below what you think I should put on this jar. I don't know. I just haven't had a chance. I don't have any ideas to put on this white jar. But it's painted. It's just ready for kind of a design. And in them, I have, in this white one, I have my dotting tools. I have my dropper. I have my tweezer. And I got a couple, like, screwdrivers in here. That's what's in here. And in this one, I have my nail, practice nail thingies, whatever you call them. And I have 2 scissors to cut like nail decals. And in the pink one, I have pencils and pens. And the blue one, I have white and black paintbrushes. And in the purple one, I have a nail file and some old paintbrushes. And just some old paintbrushes that I have. Kind of some makeup brushes too. Okay, now moving on to these black boxes. Now, why is everything kind of pastel and these two things black? Because I just haven't had a chance to paint them, so they're black. I'm not sure where they came from. I think some kind of jewelry came in them. They were my mom's, and she was gonna get rid of them because I don't know, they had something in them. But she gave them to me, and I was gonna paint them, like, of course, to match the color code, but I haven't done it yet. So I'll show you what's in them. This has my stamping plates in them and my scrapers. So I got my stamping plates, scrapers, bigger stamping plates, and I also have one bottle of this My Dance metallic pink nail polish I put in here. And this one has all of my stamping polishes in it. So my little stamping polishes. I think you guys recognize these from my videos. This is where they sit in. And I got some Born Pretty stamping polishes, and I got whatever brand this is. So this holds my stamping polishes. And right here I have new nail polish I got for Christmas. Tell me guys down in the comment section down below if you want me to show you these, because I kind of want to show you guys, like do a swatch video to show you what these colors look like on my nails. And I have this thing that I bought. I don't know, I've had it forever, but I just recently repainted it because all the paint chipped off. So I painted this green and then pink. I don't know if you can see it, but I painted the leaves, and I painted this pink and yellow, and I put some old gold detail on here. And it's just kind of like this little thing that I keep my favorite jelly stamper on. This pink Born Pretty jelly stamper is my favorite stamper. It's big, so you don't have to worry about it being too small, and I just love looking through it, and it's nice and clear. I'll put this down in the description box down below where I got it, because I love this stamper. And I just got some Kiss glue in there, so that's what's in there. Now moving on to this box. I've had this box ever since I was little, so I've always kind of kept it, so it's really old. So I don't know, it's probably 10 years old. I don't know, it's really old. And in here it's a musical box, and I keep my jelly stampers in here, my clean jelly stampers, and it's a musical box, so it does have music to it. This little girl dances to the music. I got my nail bows here, and in here down in the bottom, I have my water decals that you've seen in my videos. Oh, and she's dancing. It's making noise because it's a music box. It's like a musical box where you crank it up in the back, and that's a phone. Oh, and here's little books that I DIY I made myself. I don't know if you can see it. It has like my I draw nail designs in it, and I made these like little books myself. I just took some paper. This thing's really noisy. You're talking in my video. There's this one. It says nail designs. I think it's pretty. And this one says nail designs. I have 3 little DIY books that I made, and she's just twirling here and making a bunch of noise. And here's some glitter that I bought on eBay. They're like these mixed glitters. I love them. Here's a 4th of July one. She's just dancing in the background there. And here's a holographic bat one, which I love. And this was a sample that came with one of them, like these holographic stars, which I think are so pretty. I love these glitter mixes from eBay. I'll put some of them down in the description box down below. She's really loud. I'll put some of them down in the description box down below because I love these glitter mixes that I got off of eBay. Now, the other things I have in here is a box, which you've probably seen from my videos, is where I keep my small foil pieces. Here's my glitter striping tape and my foil. And that is what is in there. I think that's everything that's on top of my desk, like my nail supplies. But where's my nail polish? You haven't seen my nail polish other than that. My nail polish I keep in this, what do you call it? I don't know what you call this, but I got it at a, heck, I don't even know. I think my sister got this, but I've had it for a while, and this is where I keep my nail polishes. See, they're all in here. I got some glitter ones, and I love, love, love this LA Colors pink shade. And this is where I keep my nail polish, and I kind of just carry it everywhere. I set it right here, and then I kind of carry it all around my room. So my nail polish is in there. It doesn't, sometimes it sits on this desk, and sometimes I move it to my other one, and I just kind of move it all around because it's mobile. And I'll show you guys what is on my wall. Now, I don't really have anything on my wall except for my cat. My sister, if you want to know, my sister drew and painted this on my wall, and it's our Persian cat, and we thought it would look cute if he had a diaper on. So that's what that is. This picture I decided just to hang up because I watercolored it, and I thought I did a pretty good job, even though I could not get her face right, so I just put a mask on her because I could not get her face right. So that's just a picture that I watercolored painted. And this is a picture of EWTN's church that they have in Alabama, which I just love it. I think it looks so pretty with like the angel statues and everything. So I always put this up. They give you like this in the mail when you donate to them. So I always hang it up. You get like a new one every year, and I always hang it up because I really like it. So that's what I have here. So up above my nail polish desk, I have a picture of Jesus, of course, and this brown shelf, and I'll show you what's up here. Up here on the first shelf right here, I have my top coats. And then I have some nail polish that I cannot fit in that carry nail polish thing. So this nail polish is up here because I can't fit it down in there. And then I have a quick dry top coat, and then I have a nail polish thinner up here. So I have these like metallic nail polishes up here, which I love. On the second shelf, I have all my acrylic paints. They're all acrylic paints back there. You go all the way to the back because I love acrylic paint, so I just have a million colors. And up this isn't nail polish related, but I have some old CDs from my childhood. I have my Nintendo games. I have like that egg musical box thing. I have movies from my childhood. And then I have, I don't know if you can see way up there, but I have an angel and 2 horse merry-go-round thingies that I really like, so I always put them up there. But that's not nail polish related, but from here down is nail polish related. So that is what is up above my shelf. I don't have a lot of things, but that's what it looks like. So yeah, I think I pretty much showed you everything. But it's only an $8 shelf because the chains $3 and the hinges under the desk were $2, and this board, you can buy them in different sizes. Different sizes mean, you know, different money, but I bought this size and it was $3. And all of this stuff I pretty much DIY made for it because I needed stuff to organize my nail stuff. I do change some of the things often, like I want to paint those, and I don't know what to put on that jar right there. So guys, if you could help me out with that down in the comment section. But that's basically what it looks like. Now, everybody, now I'm going to show you how I film on this desk now. This is what it looks like all the time. But when I film, I usually have to move some things around to put my camera down. So let me show you guys what it looks like when I film. Okay, everybody. This is what it looks like when I'm set up to film. Now, I film about once a week, maybe possibly twice a week. But I usually only get to film a nail tutorial maybe once a week. So this is how I set it up to do a nail tutorial. I have a lamp on this side and a lamp on this side, and they do not match at all. But I have a lamp on both sides, and this is my camera stand. And as you can see, I taped down my camera stand. And obviously I would put my camera right here, but it's not right here because I'm filming with it. That's what you're looking at my desk with, is my camera. And I usually put my camera on right here, and I just point it down, and the camera's flat like this. What my nails actually sit on is a piece of white printer paper. I put a white printer paper down, and the camera sits flat right here, and I usually put my nails right here, and that's how I film my nail tutorials. I tape the camera stand down because it gets kind of top heavy when the camera's on here, so I tape it down, and that's how I usually film my nail tutorials, with 2 lights on both sides. Now, this is how I've always done it, but recently I did get new lights, so I don't think I will be using these lamps anymore, but this is what I filmed. I filmed every nail tutorial with these 2 lamps on both sides. So this is what it looks like, but I did get new lights, so when I get to set those up, I don't know if I will be using these anymore, but that might change, but this is how I usually set up. And usually I sit right here and I place my hand down, and yeah, that's how I film my nail tutorials. Did you guys like my cheap nail polish desk? Tell me down in the comment section down below. If you guys want to show, if you guys want me to show you a swatch video of these Simply Pleasure nail polishes, please put it down in the comment section down below. I really like to know, because I'm really kind of want to do a video showing you these new colors that I got. So thank you guys so much for watching my nail polish desk. Is your setup similar to mine? Please tell me down in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I upload every Friday, and I forget to tell you that all the time, but I upload every Friday, and I also have a music channel called Ascended Trend, and I'll put it down in the description box down below if you guys are interested in music or any of that kind of stuff. I'll see you later. Bye! Goodbye!